Hello viewers, warm welcome to you all. I am Priyesh Kapadia, founder of Lava Star Ventures. I am an angel investor, startup mentor and business advisor. In my first video, I had outlined a roadmap for startups and provided brief insights into important stages of their journey. It is well-known fact that any new business idea needs the right market timing and the resources to take it to the market. Certainly, the most crucial resource is funding. This is especially true during the early stages of startup when even getting talent on board or launching a product or a service into the market is dependent on funding. As explained in my earlier video, there is a life cycle of raising funding based on the progress of the company. Many startups begin with friends and family, then raise money from angel investors, and then move on to professional investors such as venture capital funds. Upon reaching maturity stage, companies may seek money from private equity firms or make a public offering. Today we are going to talk about angel investment. Angel investment means raising money from individual investors who invest their personal money in exchange for part ownership in the business. Angel investors often invest in business based on their personal investment criteria, and in exchange, the investors receive an equity stake in or a convertible debt depending on the structure provided. Angel investors are often established entrepreneurs themselves, and they have a number of years of experience working in a business environment. In addition to providing a financial backing needed to get the venture up and running, angel investors often share their connections and expertise, which can be invaluable to the startup's long-term success. In recent years, angel investors have become somewhat institutionalized also. There are a lot of local angel groups or local angel networks where individual investors can share their resources and pool their investments for investing collectively in the startups. We'll now discuss about some important steps of raising angel investment. Get your corporate structure and compliances in order. Have appropriate structure in place to be able to raise angel investment and ensure all legal and financial compliances are in order. Prepare your pitch deck. Your pitch deck is often the first introduction potential investors will get to your business. Having a well put together professional pitch deck can be crucial to attract interest of the investor and secure funding. Your pitch deck for angel funding may cover the following: explain your product or service, what problem your product or service is solving, what market looks like and what are the gaps, how your product or service is performing and potential for further growth and scalability, your team composition and experience, your competition, projected financials. Ideally, you may present 3 years financial projections. Try to remain realistic yet conservative in your projections. You don't want to be in a situation to overpromise and under-deliver on financials. Amount of funding needed, how the funds are going to be utilized, and runway period. Determine valuation and funding structure. Determine what valuation you are targeting and structure for fundraise such as equity or convertible notes, etc. Have a comprehensive business plan ready. Some angel investment may also want to review your business plan. It's a good idea to put together a comprehensive business plan before seeking investors. Network and find angel investors. You can try and connect with angel investors on different forums and approach them. You may also connect different angel investor networks, or you may seek professional assistance for connecting with angel investors and raising funds. Present your pitch. With your pitch deck complete and product and service is ready to be debuted, it's a time to present your business to the investors. Using your pitch deck as a guide, you'll need to present your proposal to the investors and highlight them what makes your business and product unique and innovative. A solid, well-rehearsed presentation is imperative to the success of your investor speech. Discuss terms. Once you have presented the pitch and the angel investor has expressed interest in your startup, you will discuss terms that would be associated with accepting angel funding. These terms are negotiable and require both the parties to agree to move forward. The terms that needs to be negotiated include the amount of investors' equity stake and valuation, the investors' involvement in the business, and how the funding will be structured. Negotiate and sign term sheet and shareholders agreements. Term sheets are where the large amount of negotiations can happen, as this include not only the valuation but also matters like vesting, board composition, reporting requirements, and even founders' remuneration. Once your investors have signed the term sheet, next there are series of longer documents that go into more detail depending on the funding structure, including shareholders agreement, representations and warranties, and the new articles of association. Each needs to be signed by all the parties. Thank you. I hope you would have found this useful. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe to my channel Lava Star Ventures.